Have you ever wished you could lift someone bigger than you? Sapphire, can you lift me up normally? No. But with simple machines like levers, Sapphire can lift me. Right now we have our fulcrum, that's the part in the middle. And so can you lift me this way? No. What if we move the fulcrum? Okay. Oh, she decided to move it over closer to me. We'll see if she can lift me now. Whoa! Sapphire's able to lift me up just by using this lever. Let's try it one other way. What if we put this over by Sapphire? Okay. Now can you lift me? No? What about if we had to keep our lever in the middle? Now, if I'm standing here, she can't lift me. What if I'm standing over here? Well, she lifted me up again because I moved closer to the fulcrum. Now here's another lever made of a yardstick and a marker. And we're going to try and lift this book. Now notice, let's start with it in the middle. I can't lift the book at all. What if I put the fulcrum way down here? Oh, now it's even harder. And instead of lifting the book, the yardstick just starts bending. But what if I put the fulcrum way down here next to the book? Okay, now we can lift it. And notice, this goes down a lot over here. But this goes up just a tiny bit over here. We're trading less force required for moving it a shorter distance. Okay, next we have a Lego balance. As you can see, these monsters are a little heavier than our hero over here. So what can she do to balance them out? Well, if she moves closer to them, that's just going to put more weight on this side, huh? But what if she moves farther back? Doesn't quite balance. What about way back here? Oh, so now the monsters are balanced out by the Lego guy. So, I'm going to use some pennies for weights. And if you want to make a Lego thing like this, it's not too hard. You just need an axle and some Legos that have holes in them. And you can make a big, long balance. Put it up high so there's plenty of room to move. So, if I put one penny on this side and one penny on this side, it's about balanced, right? So we have 2 pennies in this side and 1 penny in this side. Now, can I move this somewhere where these will be balanced? I'm going to try moving it up a little bit. Getting closer. All right, I moved it halfway in between the end of the lever and the fulcrum, and now it's balanced. If we had 3 pennies in here, we need to move it even farther forward for it to be balanced. Okay, I think the best way for you to understand more about levers is to play with them yourself. So we're going to make a catapult. I don't know exactly what you have around your house, so I've got a couple of different examples of things you can use. You're going to need something long and flat. I've got 2 chopsticks here, or a popsicle stick. You could use a regular stick, or maybe you just have a really long spoon, or something flat like that. Then you're going to need some kind of scoop. This is going to hold the soft things that we're going to catapult. Okay? We need a fulcrum. You saw earlier we used a marker with a yardstick, or we could use a spool, or maybe even a toilet paper roll. Now we're going to need some soft things that we can catapult, like cotton balls or marshmallows or little stuffies. And last, we need a way to hold it all together. We've got rubber bands and masking tape. Sapphire and I are each going to use different materials, and we're going to make a catapult. So first, select a flat thing to use. I'll let you pick first. Which would you like? The chopsticks? Okay, I'll use the popsicle stick. And we're going to want to attach it to a fulcrum. Which fulcrum do you want? That one? Okay, I'll take the spool. And you can use tape or rubber bands. I think I'm going to use rubber bands.
I'm going to try tape.
Okay. I'm going to kind of twist the rubber band around the fulcrum first, and then maybe I'll slide this under here. I see where there's an X. You see that X there? I'll slide it right under the X, and that should hold it in place.
Actually, tape might not be the best for this part, but
Oh, you decide. You can always change your mind later. And one thing I like is that this is loose enough that I can adjust where the fulcrum is. We saw earlier how powerful that can be. So when we try out our catapults, we might want to adjust where our fulcrum is. See, that's why I think it might be easier to do the rubber band first.
That's what I
and find an X. Do you see that X? Okay, now try putting this under the X.
There we go.
Okay, oh, now that's nice and even. Okay, next we need to take our little scooper and attach it to our lever. So which scooper would you like? Ah, the big one, uh-huh. That's fine. And I think I'm going to attach mine with tape. And we want to attach it so it's sturdy, but if it sticks out a bit, that's fine too. That'll just make our lever even longer. I'm thinking a longer lever might lead to more distance when we catapult our cotton balls. Oh, I see. You're attaching in two places? That's good. That'll make it more stable so it won't wobble back and forth. I should probably do that too. Okay, so why don't we try it out? Let's shoot our cotton balls. I almost said cannonballs. I guess they're cotton cannonballs that way. And then we'll try and adjust the fulcrum.
Here, let me try that again.
Whoa! Okay, that was pretty good. Okay, I moved my fulcrum closer to the center. That was pretty good. What if I put it way down at the end here? Whoa! I think that was the best yet. So I hope you will make a catapult and play with it and figure out where is the best spot to put a fulcrum. And simple machines like these are used all over the place. Whether it's a crowbar, a hammer, a shovel, a baseball bat, a pair of chopsticks, scissors, a stapler, or a clothespin, these all use the same principles of levers to do useful things. And now you know how to make and use levers too. If you can, share what you made with me or your teacher in your class, and stay safe, have fun, and keep building.